Hey guys, it's LGP, and in this video, I will be teaching you how to make a modern block design. So this, obviously don't copy this, try to come up with your own thing, but this is kind of just how I do block design. So you're going to need 4 colors, you should need 4 colors. So color 1 should be something neutral, so this should be gray, brown, black, like a light gray, you can do anything as long as it's not white, okay? So I like to do like a dark gray, okay? I like to do a dark gray. Okay, so then for color 2, you're gonna want a light color. So for this, I am going to do a light, like a mint green. And then for color 3, you're actually gonna want to copy your color 2, and don't mind the Discord notifications. I'm sorry. You're going to want to copy your color 2, paste it, but then just make it a little bit darker, and that'll be your color 3. And your color 4 is just going to be white. And now those are going to be your 4 colors that you're going to be using. And then, oh, yeah, one more thing. Take color 3, copy this, put this to your, paste it to your background, and then just make it a little bit darker. That should be okay. And then for your ground 1 and 2, just go with black. Just use the same black. And then you should be good. Okay, so I have this block sort of ready. Just use color. I would probably use color 2 for both your base and your detail. Make sure to turn glow off. Never have glow on for modern. It's just not going to look good. So now you should have something that looks like this, right? And, yeah, so you should have something that looks like this. This will all be on editor layer 0, okay? So then on 1, we're going to actually start adding our deco, okay? Putting it on different layers is going to make it easier to edit, and it'll just make our lives a lot better. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go, or this is just what I'm doing, right? I'm just going to walk you through what I would be doing. So first I would make one of these lines, and I would, let's just say we're going to make that color. I think 1 or 3 would work, but we're just going to do that, and then we're just going to move it down. Okay, so now we have this. All right, and then what I would do is I would actually make this block. I would make this block. You could even maybe make 2 of the blocks. I'm just going to do 1. Actually, I'll do 2. So we'll do these 2 blocks, and then these are going to be color 1. So now, make sure that was a mistake. Make sure both base and detail are color 1. So now your block will look like this, right? Looks pretty good. So the next thing you're going to want to do, or the next thing I'm going to do, is I'm going to make, I'll make sort of a, some sort of design to put up top. So I'm going to use, I like to use these, but I think right now I'm going to do something a little bit different. We are going to use a combination of circles and X's, okay? So you're going to want to put a circle down and put an X down, okay? And then you're just, I'm going to make them smaller because that won't fit on the gray line. That's kind of our intention, is to put them on the gray line. And then I'm going to move this closer, okay? And then here's what we're going to do. We are going to make one of them color 4, so that will be white, and one of them will be color 3, okay? Or color 2, rather. You can do color 2 or 3. I think 2 would just look better. And then we are just going to move this over to the edge. Actually, maybe size it down a little bit more. Okay, and then you're going to copy and paste that and move it over, just so that it looks kind of consistent like this. So then, I'm on mobile, so if you're on like on PC, you're gonna have a lot easier time because you can use WASD for moving things. But since I'm on mobile, I have to use these stupid arrows. Okay, so that looks pretty nice. We're just gonna take this and move it in just a little bit, and then we are going to put it down our line. Oh, make sure to make it on top. Whoops. Yeah, T2, make sure to make it so it's like visible. That's pretty important. We're gonna have to scale this down just a little bit. I'm just gonna put it on the lowest one. I think it should look fine. And now you have this. So now this is your block, right? And you want something to fill those two gray blocks, else it'll just look really weird and awkward. So what I think I'm gonna do, and this is really just up to what you want your level to look like. For me right now, I think I want some of these connector pieces, right? So we're gonna take like some of these 2.0 connector pieces. So we're gonna put one here and one here. Okay, so then we're nope. Okay, so then for this, I think what I'm gonna end up doing is making the base color 3, and then the detail color 1. And then we are just going to rotate that, and then we're going to put that in here. We are going to make it bigger because we want it to pretty much fill this whole thing. And I'm just going to copy and paste it, and I'm just going to move it down a little bit, move another one down. So now you should have, oh, whoops, I messed up. Okay, make sure, yeah, don't put color 2, because color 2, I thought we did color 3 for, oh, okay, once again, don't be like me, don't be an idiot. I'm messing up a lot. So, okay, there you go, right? You have this sort of deal. And actually, a lot of people might call it good right now. I like to add a lot more detail in here, though. So, in one of the corners, I like to put some sort of slope, right? So, this slope, it can really be whatever. Make sure you're able to color it. So, I personally like this slope a lot, but this one's also super good. So is this one. Really, any slope that you can change the color of will work, though. So, what you're going to want to do is you're going to put that in one of the corners, or, I mean, you can do whatever, but this is what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to scale it up a little bit, and then we're going to move it so it actually is showing up. Okay, so, oh, and then make sure so for this one, I'm actually going to, I want this to be a lower opacity, so I'm actually going to make a new color. I copy and pasted color 3. I'm just going to put this at 0.8 opacity, and that's what I'm going to use for the slope. So now that looks really, really clean right there, right? And I think what we would want to do next is probably balance that out by having something down here. I already have something kind of in the top, so I'm going to have something down here. And what I would really like to do is to put sort of like a semicircle, or not semicircle, like a quarter circle sort of thing. I forget what those are. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna put one of these, but that's way too small. So I'm actually just gonna size it up to 2, and then we're just gonna move that down, and then I will put this as we will put this as color 1, I think is what I'm going to do. Make sure glow is always off. Never want that on. Okay, whoops. Yep, again, make sure to have everything. I like to put stuff on T2. It doesn't really matter, though. Just make sure it's in front. So this is what our block is looking like. So, oh, once again, don't be an idiot. Don't be me. Put this on, whoops. Make sure it's on like a T2 or T1 or whatever, just so it's visible. So this is what our block looks like so far. So I actually think this looks pretty good. You could probably call it good now, but I'm just going to do a little bit more. So in this block, I'm going to put, I think some arrows might be nice. So I'm going to do like this, right? I'm going to put like up, and then down, and then up, okay? So I think that looks pretty nice. So the 2 on the outside, wait, hold on. The 2 on the outside, I am going to make these color 4, white. And then, obviously to T2, or we'll go T3 for this one. And then this one is going to be mint green, so color 2. And then once again, move it to the top. Okay, so then we're just going to put these, and we're going to, I would actually probably move them like this a little bit so that they fit in our little semicircle thing. And then I'm going to end up scaling these down a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move them sort of up here, and then we're going to copy and paste and flip it around, and then we're going to just move it down and move it over, and I think that looks pretty nice. But then another thing we could do is, whoops, make sure swipe is off for this. We could kind of alternate these colors to make this one white. I'm just thinking out loud. This is just how I would be if I was building in a regular level, right? So we're going to make that one white, and then we're going to make this one mint, and then we're going to make this one mint as well. Okay, so that's like that. And then I just want to add maybe something up here and something in the middle. In the middle, you can do literally whatever. You have so much room to do stuff. Some people might sort of make this slope bigger. I can't because I think I have it as big as it can get. But I think what I might end up doing, I really think, where is it? I think, yeah, I think these things look really good. So what I'm going to do, we're just going to move this, and we're going to move it like that. And I'm going to make this, I'll make it color 3. Or actually, no, I'll make it color 1. And I'll make the other one color 3. So we're just going to move it in, well, actually, no, I'm going to make this one the one that's color 3. This is going to be the smaller one, and I want color 3 to kind of be like, you know, less prevalent. So, and then we're going to copy and paste, and then we're going to move it over here. And we're going to make this one bigger. Okay, let's just, okay, I think that looks pretty okay. I'm going to size up a little bit. And we're going to make this one color 1. Okay, so then we have 2 things up here. And now in here, you could take these X's and O's out. They're kind of messy. I'm going to keep them in because it'd be kind of a pain to delete. But in hindsight, I don't think the X's and O's look really good. So now we just need something in here. You can put literally whatever in here. Some people might like to put saws in here. I don't ever do that. I don't actually know if it looks that good, so I'm just not going to do it to avoid embarrassing myself. But it would probably look pretty nice. I like the 1.9 connector pieces a lot. I think they look very good in a lot of situations. So that's what I will be using. I will be using these. So I would just, yeah, those look super nice. And they're already pretty much the right color, so we're just gonna, dude, oh, I don't swipe on. Okay, so we are just going to move that 45 degrees. I'm gonna size it up because I think it looks better when it's bigger. All right, and then we are just going to move that. Oh, make sure it is on a good group. T2. Okay, so now that looks pretty nice. Oh, that is not the color I wanted it. Oh, it looked like the color I wanted because of the little green selecting thing. Okay, so that's about, oh, nope. It's not about the color I wanted. So, would 3 look good or would 4 look good? I think, oh, that's space. Dude, I'm tired, I'm sorry. Okay, so, would 3 look good or would 4 look good? Let's just test both out. So that's 3. Actually, I just like, I feel like yeah, okay, that's 3. So, I actually think this block is about done. You could add some 3D if you want, and I'm actually going to go ahead and do that. So, make the 3D things, I would make them the, whatever color 1 is, like that neutral sort of shade. If that neutral shade is light, I would make them a little darker, or not. I mean, it really just doesn't matter. It's up to personal preference. So, but I would make them color 1, right? So we're just going to make them 1. Turn glow off. Glow's ugly. Actually, we're going to be adding glow in a second, so I can't really say that, but... And then I'm going to use these. You can use whatever, but I'm going to use these. So... Oh, wait, I'm actually going to put these on... We'll put them on 1 so they're a little easier to select. Oh, they're already on color 2, I think, though. Alright, so... Alright. Dude, that's not what I pressed. Okay, so then we got that. Or color 3. These should all be on color 3. I'm not that fast at building, so sorry if this is boring some of you guys to death, but if you're watching this, you're also probably new to building, so, you know. Okay, so let's just, once again, let's make sure these are all on color 3. They should be. I think they look like color 3. Whoops, that is not what I wanted to do. Okay, so I think these should all be on, yeah, they're all on color 3, cool. Okay, so now we have this. This looks really nice. This looks really, really good. So let's add some glow. I'm going to go all the way to 2 for glow. You can use you can use either color 1, 2, or 3 for glow. Just not 4. Don't use white for glow. It looks really weird. So I would use this, right? You're going to put this, or wait, no, nope, that's the wrong glow. Okay. Use this, right? Dude, what am I doing? Okay, so use this. It's on color 1, and it looks bad. We're going to fix that. Don't worry, I'm just putting it down. Dude, I forgot to... Oh, my goodness. I'm off my game today. Okay. Dude, Discord's spamming me. I'm sorry. Alright, so... And then you're just going to want to fill in the corners so they don't look like garbage. So I would do that with these pieces. But the thing is, they're way too small, so you have to make them big. Okay, and then copy and paste that. And then we're just going to move that over here. Okay, cool. So we have all the glow, right? We have all the glow, except it looks bad because it is dark gray, which does not look great. So I'm actually going to move it to color 3. Or, you know what, we'll do color 3. But the thing is, we can't just have solid opaque glow. So you're going to want to copy this and paste it to a new color channel. And then you're going to want to turn opacity down. Anywhere between 40 and 70 looks good. I'm going to set on a good medium at 60. If that is bad, I'll change it. And then turn blending on. Okay, so now I have glow. And I actually like how that glow looks. So I think we are done. Yeah, so this was how to build a modern style. This is kind of like modern and core sort of a mixture, because modern blocks generally aren't this kind of detailed, but I like to put a lot of detail, so yeah. And that's only 82 objects, that's not that much. So yeah, that is how to build in modern style as far as block design goes. This was EliGP. I will see you in the next video. Bye.